Hello everyone, in this video I will discuss most important and expected MCQs related to computer architecture. These questions are very important if you are preparing for any exam related to computer science. So let us start. So first question is, in a virtual memory system, the addresses used by the programmer belongs to. In a virtual memory system, the addresses used by the programmer belongs to. Options are memory space, physical addresses, address space, main memory address. The addresses used by the programmer belongs to address space. Right answer is option C. Next question is numerical. So let's discuss. How many 128 by 8 RAM chips are needed to provide a memory capacity of 2048 bytes? Memory capacity which is required is 2048. Fine. And RAM chips, how many RAM chips? One RAM chip is of 128 into 8 bits. So size of one RAM chip is here. See, size, just wait, size of one RAM chip is 128 by 8 bits, means 128 bytes, because 1 byte is equals to 8 bits. So size of one RAM chip is 128 bytes. Fine. The question is, how many RAM chips? So N multiplied by size of one RAM chip is 128 and memory requirement is 2048. So N equals to 2048 divided by 128, which is equals to 2048 divided by 128 is equals to 16. So 16 RAM chips are required. So right answer is option B. Third question. The method for updating the main memory as soon as a word is removed from the cache is called. The method for updating the main memory as soon as a word is removed from the cache is called. Options: write through, write back, protected write, cache write. The method is called. The question is, if we are to change the cache, if suppose a word is removed from the cache, and then we must also update the main memory, and this method is called write back. Next question. Zero address instruction format is used for. Zero address instruction format, whether it is for RISC architecture, whether it is for CISC architecture, whether it is for von Neumann architecture, or whether it is for stack organized architecture. Fine. So zero address format is used for zero address instruction format is used for stack organized architecture. And what is RISC? The full form of RISC is reduced instruction set computer, and CISC is complex instruction set computer. And zero address instruction format is used. We use zero address instruction format for stack organized architecture. Next question. Address symbol table is generated by memory management software, assembler, match logic of associative memory generated by operating system. Address symbol table is generated by the assembler. Next question. The ASCII code for letter A is in binary. These are the options. Now see, capital A belongs to the code of capital A is 65, and we need to convert this 65 into binary. So how we convert? See, 2, 32 and 1. 2. We are converting it into binary, that's why I am dividing by 2. 16 0. 2 8's the 16 0. 4 0. 2 0. 2 1 0. So right answer is this one. Right answer is 1 0 0 0 0 0 1. So this is the right answer, option B. Next, the negative numbers in the binary system can be represented by sign magnitude, ones complement, twos complement, all of the above. The right answer is we represent the negative numbers in the binary system using twos complement. Next, how many different addresses are required by the memory that contains 16k words? How many? So see, here it is 16 and k is 1024. 1k is 1024. So 16 into 1024, if we calculate it, it is 16384. So right answer is option C. Next question. How many memory chips of 128 into 8, very easy question, are needed to provide a memory capacity of 4096 into 16? Fine. So how many? N we need to find. Size of one memory chip is 128 into 8, and memory capacity that we require is 4096 into 16, and which will be equal to 4096 into 16 divided by 128. So it is equals to this one divided by 128 into 8. So simple, 8 2 is the 16, 2 64, which is equals to 4096 divided by 64, which will be equal to, just calculate it, 4096 divided by 64, and it is equals to 64. So right answer is option A. So right answer is option A. Next question. In DMA, the data transfer is controlled by, DMA is direct memory access. DMA की full form क्या है? What is the full form of DMA? It is direct memory access. It allows hardware system to access main system memory independent of the CPU. So DMA, let me write in short. What is the use of DMA? It allows DMA allows hardware subsystems, for example, hardware subsystems mean input output devices, to access main system memory, independent of the CPU. So data transfer is controlled by C. From the definition, it is clearly mentioned, it allows hardware subsystems to access main system memory. So it allows hardware subsystems. So right answer is input output devices. So in DMA, the data transfer is controlled by input output devices. So these 10 questions are very important. You will get more questions in the second part in the coming lectures. That's all for this video. If you have any suggestion, any feedback, you can comment. Thank you for watching.